Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable two-factor authentication in Indeed. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply look at the profile icon on the top right. It's right next to the notification bell. Let's click on the profile icon and something like this will pop up. Let's directly go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, initially you'll be in the account settings. Simply scroll down and then you'll see something like two-factor authentication. There is a button to the right called as Enable 2FA. Let's click on it right now. And now something like this will pop up. Either you can enable 2FA by adding your phone number, else you can do it using the Authenticator app. Right now I'm simply gonna use the Authenticator app. I'm just gonna scan this code right here. I just scanned the QR code. Now I'm simply gonna scroll down. Right here in step 3, I'm gonna enter the verification code. And once everything's okay, let's simply click on verify and enable. It's again gonna ask us something like this to enter the code provided in the Authenticator app. Let's enter it right now. Once everything's okay, let's hit on submit. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable two-factor authentication for your Indeed account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.